Well, it's a video blog of my new race car. Yeah, it don't look like much right now, but it was free, donated. Steve Newby donated me the car, and Ace Tire and Towing donated me motor and transmission for it. We're not going to go with the standard rotary in these Mazdas. No, we're going to go with a Chevy V8. Here's the inside. Yeah, it needs some work. Definitely needs some work. But once we get this thing together, she's going to be fast. I'll look up under the hood, and there's the blowed up rotary. It definitely has seen better days. All that radiator stuff, that's all coming out. Headlight stuff, all that's coming out. This is basically going to be an empty shell when I'm done with it. But when I get her done, she'll be fast. Real fast. Front end, it's pretty straight. I like that. It's pretty straight. Anyways, this is the first part of my video blog.